Okay, just completed my Dalek Eye. I'm just going to tell you about it. Basically, we have some discs here which I've got cut perspex. Basically what we've got is a servo disc which has my servo sitting in it. It's a little tiny 9306 MG middle geared servo. The middle plate here has some LEDs sitting in there. Just see if I can get in there close. So, this little LEDs that you buy from Hobby King is a spotlight, and we've got our iris, which basically is an iris from a microscope, to basically at the bottom of a microscope to allow light to get in to see your microscope work. So basically how this works is that the servo operates this little metal arm that's in here, this little L shape, and that little metal arm pulls the little lever on the iris and opens it and closes it. Those little holes there, the sausage shape, I'll release that up online at some point, the AI files for that, but I just got these discs cut out at a place in town called the Fab Lab, and they were quite happy to cut these out of perspex for me. As you can see, there's a lot of weight here I could decrease if I change these nuts and stuff to nylon ones and use little nylon stilts, but I just wanted to get this thing going. The other part of this, basically my mate Roy has completed most of my eye for me. I cut the discs and he helped me get my pivot going, and basically I've been playing with this all day to make sure that it lines up, and it's looking pretty good. So I'm going to put it together and see how this is basically how I'm going to control it with my RC. So let's see if I can get this going. Hang on for a sec. Right. We've got the Dalek Eye back together, and I'm going to grab my power supply here, which is just a standard battery for remote setup with a U-Beck just for safety. And we plug that into my little receiver. And then we're going to plug this from the eye into the receiver. Put it into the correct channel. It's going to get bright. Then we take my remote control and can turn it on. And if you look down at the eye, well, I try to get both of these things in shot. I can control the iris completely with my remote control. So this is completely autonomous and just basically all running off standard RC equipment. Thanks.